It's something that just fits the Filipino lifestyle. And we've opened more stores through the years, and the brand has grown in popularity globally. And we said, we're going to do this. It was a matter of finding the right space and the right time. And we found it here in Bonifacio High Street, solely focused on selling Havaianas.
We've been really big fans of Havaianas ever since, so we had to go.
Fits with the culture and the lifestyle. It's colorful, it's vibrant, it's positive. And all Filipinos are like that, and we're casual. We're such a casual, easy culture, and the footwear is reflective of that too.
The colors, the comfort, and I always love wearing them to the beach, to the mall, wherever I go. So they've really always been there for me.
Our campaign this year is Let Summer. Summer is a state of mind. Really is something that connects with us. That whole idea of summer being a positive and awesome feeling and an awesome time.
Like anything colorful, anything summery, because I always associate Havaianas with like summer, beaches, and going out and just being comfortable.
Instantly, from afar, when they see your store, and then all the more when they come in, they know what the brand is about.
Yeah, like it really makes you feel like you're at the beach. Like we took pictures with the buko, with the big wall of beaches, and it really makes you feel like you're in that summer mood even though it's Taguig.